Maggie, yes, I am bored today. And so I thought, you know, I'll make a movie. This has never happened before. So I thought, okay, current topics. So I miss Maggie, and that just miss Maggie. Okay, so I'm gonna make a video about how I miss you. I don't know how to put it into words. I don't like it. No, English has never been my forte.
Shucks. Lucy's the only good thing about it.
I'm not even kidding. Does that sum it up a little bit? No? Yes? Okay, let me just go look at the last time I saw you. 5 years ago. Yes. It's been 5 years. Okay, more like a couple weeks, but it's been like 5 years. Just really sucks without you around. Okay. Okay, sum it up. I miss your face! Okay, bye.